having a problem. Hey everybody, welcome back to Simply Cerisa. Today we have several pieces from Target from their Spring 2021 lookbook. Now, I just have to say something right off the bat. I really feel like Target is going through something, you guys. It was very interesting trying to shop there this spring. I did buy all my pieces practically from online because when I went in store, they had a very interesting mix. They had several pieces that were like summer, spring, but they mostly were dresses that were just very strange. Huge puffy sleeves, weird textures, and if I tried my hardest, I could style them, but I know that I wouldn't want to, and they weren't anything that I could wear day to day. Then the rest of the items seemed to be things that maybe they had just brought back from previous seasons, because I saw several items that I have purchased, some even almost 2 years ago, still in store, which was very odd. And then thirdly, price. Things were very different, especially online. I feel like their prices have inched up quite a bit, especially for the quality. So I really had to do some digging on this one. And what I did was I ended up primarily with a spring and summer tops look. So let's get right into all of those tops and one dress that I purchased from Target this year. This first top is from Universal Thread. It's $15. It is 100% cotton, and it says it's made with a minimum of 20% recycled cotton. Now, at first glance, it just looks like a normal top. It's really cute, but I just have to explain to you, it feels almost like it's layered, like it's multiple layers of really thin, gauzy cotton. So it kind of has a little bit of a puffier texture, and I know that's not coming across in the video, but it does have a cute little like fold up at the sleeve. It has a really nice V-neck, if you can see that. It fits perfectly for my body shape. I really like it. It hits right above the hip bones, so I can leave it out and there's not a whole lot of extra. I believe I got this in a medium. It does come in other colors, but my only concern is even though it's 100% cotton, it's in the like 90s today where I'm at, and I'm already kind of warm in this. And so I feel like because it's multiple layers, it's not gonna breathe super well. So I don't think I'm going to keep this as far as a summer top. But if I had gotten this maybe for earlier spring or for fall, I think this is a great shirt to have, or if you live in a cooler climate. Now I just paired it with my white free assembly jeans from Walmart, and I believe they're about $30. They are so good. You have to size up. I'm going to put the link to these below, and I'm going to pair pretty much all the tops I bought with these jeans today just to keep it simple. And if you can see my shoes, they are so cute. I do love these. I'm currently wearing a 9.5, and I go back and forth between a 9.5 and a 10, so I'm not sure if I need to size up in these or not, but they are adorable. I will show you what they actually look like. They are kind of like a Chanel look for less, and I do like that. They are the, I believe, a New Day, yes. And these were about $19.99. They do have a little bit of a kind of like a softness, but as you can see, they're not very padded at all. Just a tiny bit of a heel. But I love the slipper effect, and I love that. I think it's really cute, and I like that it's black right here on the toe, so it kind of hides any dirt. So these were a really good find. I did like these, but they keep going in and out of stock. And I do have, I believe, a nude tone as well. And then if you want to kind of change up the look a little bit, you can see I just put like a brown belt on, and I can do a front tuck if I want, and then I pair it with my favorite Amazon backpack bag. This is incredible. They're under, I believe, $25, and I've had this for almost a year now, and it's going strong. I love this look. And then I got my brand new glasses from EYEBUY Direct on, so I'm kind of going with the black and white theme today. Yeah, so this look, I think overall is really put together, but still comfortable. I'm just wearing jeans and a cotton top. Much better. It is a million degrees already, and it is barely May 1st, so hair is up for now. This is the top that I featured in my monthly favorites for April. I love this top so much. This is already, like I said on my last video, probably like into my 5th wear at this point, actually. I hope you can really see the color come through. I love this Peplum top because it's figure flattering, but yet it's not like skin tight. And because it's a linen rayon blend, it is nice and cool and breathable, but yet it doesn't super wrinkle on you. And it's got just like that beautiful kind of square neck, boat neck. It's got a tiny bit of a puff sleeve. It's got little white buttons. Oh my gosh, and they kind of have like a little bit of a bone color in them too. This comes in white and yellow. Love, love, love this top. It is so fun. And with this, I still have the jeans on, obviously. I paired it with these cute little, I believe they're universal thread. I'll pop one off and show you. Sandals. And again, I got these in a 9.5. Let's not fall. Yes, universal thread. So you can see the close-up of those. They're really cute because they kind of see how it has like a little bit of a wider footbed where the your widest part goes and then it thins out. So they're very, to me, flattering on your foot. And this is like a cute little fabric texture, and I love it. I love it. And then this is like more like a faux leather. And they are a little squishy. And again, just sort of that flat sandal look, but they just kind of go with absolutely everything. The more I have these on, the more I'm kind of falling in love with them. Again, obviously no arch support, but super cute, really affordable. Love this. And again, I put these on, they just slide on with everything. They just make life easy. And I could pair this with that same little backpack that I use all the time. I could dress this up or down, just in love, in love, in love. This next top, I really want your opinion. So let me know if I should keep this or not. This is Knox Rose, which is kind of more, I would call Target's more bohemian kind of look. Everything's really flowy. They have lots of like caftan type of things and just really soft, flowy materials. And I was going for something like that, but what I didn't realize when I ordered it was how long and drapey it was. This is a size medium, and Knox Rose usually is a little bit small on me. And I mean, and you can see it is sheer. You can see my pants line. I don't know. I don't think it hits me at all at the right spot. I feel like it's a little too much, almost like a maternity top. But I love the top half of it. It's so beautiful, and it has like this really pretty stitching, and it's very textured, and the top, like, it's just comfortable, breathable. I absolutely love it. I know I could totally do like a front tuck with it or something like that, but even so, I'm not sure if it's gonna be as flattering as I want it to be. And I really purchased it for these pants too, so, you know, I don't know. It's kind of one of those I could just throw on and go and be super comfortable in it, but I'm not sure if it's the most flattering at all. And I can put it on with blue jeans, which I know will kind of clean that up a little bit too. But I don't know, too much fabric to tuck in 100%. But I love the kind of like easy, comfortable, flowy feel it has. It's $27.99 though. I don't know if I mentioned that or not. So that is a little bit on the pricier side for Target. This next top is universal thread. It is $24.99. Parts of me is absolutely in love with this, but I specifically put a white crop top tank top underneath it so you could see just how see-through it really is. That is like my midriff right here because I put a white, like I said, see that? That's how sheer this crazy top is. So that's my major issue with it. I went in store to see if I could find this in other colors, and I could not in store, but they may have them online. I don't know about how sheer they are, but I was specifically going for like a white on white look, and I wanted that whole like monochrome white look, and that's why I ordered this. But if I'm going to keep this, I definitely need to be putting like a nude tank top underneath it. Otherwise, you're definitely going to be seeing bra action, just crazy. But so cute. If you can see, it has beautiful like eyelet detailing. It's really cute high neck, but not tight at all. It doesn't bother me at all. The sleeves, I do like big sleeves. I love them. I always have. I've always had tops like this in my wardrobe, so this is not a problem. And even when it goes out of trend, I'm still gonna wear them because I just have for years. But it definitely is cute. It's airy, it's fluffy. It has like the seaming that goes down. And it is on the fluffy side, but not super bad. I can front tuck this or tuck it all the way around in if I wanted and put it on with other colors of pants. So, oh, yeah, I love the top, I love the fit, but you just need to be aware of how sheer it is and what's required when you do wear it. And otherwise, the detailing is fantastic. It is universal thread. And again, it is on the, to me, the pricier side. It's $24.99. On to the only dress I tried. This is the only dress I ended up purchasing from Target this time. I actually went in store and I looked through every dress I could find. And again, I don't know what Target is doing right now, but their dresses are insane. And I have seen other YouTubers style them and they look cute on camera, but when you get in there, the cotton and the material that they are is just big and not breathable, and the sleeves are huge and they have crazy patterns and they just aren't right. So when I saw this, I thought maybe this was kind of more on that utility chic side of things, comfortable knit. But as you can see, I am wearing Spanx and a bra, and it's already not very flattering. It already is showing like that I look like I have a tummy. Can you see this? This is the pockets of the dress. Yeah, it is let's see what brand this is. A New Day, and I believe it's around $20. If I were to see this anywhere else, I would expect it to be about $12. It's just not a good quality. It's super thin. Nothing to me is right about it, except for like it fits my waist well, but it's just, it needs lining, I think. Yeah, I do have a regular bra, so I can't see currently the straps of it, but I do feel for like it's a little bit loose here and it kind of pops out, especially on this side. So I feel like the cut is not right, especially when they were sewing it. Yeah, it's like, it's a bummer because the rest of the cut is not bad, but holy Toledo, even with Spanx on, I feel like I'm exposing myself. And yeah, it has pockets, but what's that gonna do? That looks like super awkward, right? So this is a fail. So that does it for me with my Target Spring 2021 lookbook. And to be quite frank, I don't think that I'm gonna be purchasing much more from Target for the rest of the summer. I may give it a second look maybe this fall, but I do have several other hauls coming up that are gonna be from other, hopefully exciting to you stores. So make sure you hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.